Hello everyone and welcome to this Aurora Theme tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a collage just like this one for your Shopify store. If you want to take a better look at this collage, you can head over to our Sheer Demo store and you will find the collage in the product page. This is what it looks like at the top. But now let's head over to the theme editor to show you how to create one. This is what our collage section looks like in the theme editor. Now I'm going to show you all the steps to create a collage just like this one. So first, I'm going to add a new section to my page. I'm going to select collage. I'm going to keep this one so that we can compare the collage that we are creating to it. Next, I'm going to delete all the blocks that I don't need from my collage. So I'm going to open each block and hit remove block. And I'm gonna repeat this process for all the unnecessary blocks. Once that is done, it's time to add the blocks that we actually need. So as you can see, we need 6 product cards blocks, 1 image with text that we already have here, and a testimonial block. So I'm going to add my blocks to the collage section. This is my first product card block, and I'm gonna do the same for all the blocks that I need. I now have all of my blocks, so I can position them where I prefer in the collage. So I'm going to move them. And now I'm going to add 2 more columns to my layout so that there is more space for all of my blocks. So I'm gonna go to the collage section settings and increase the number of desktop columns to 6. Here it is. Now I would like to increase the size of this block here. It needs to occupy 2 rows, and of the testimonial block as well. So I'm going to click on this block and then increase the number of rows. And I'll do the same for my testimonial block. But instead, I'm going to increase the number of columns that it occupies. Okay, now that my layout is ready, it's time to fill out all of these blocks. I'm going to start from my image with text block. So I'm going to open its settings. I'll remove the subheading. And I will paste my heading here, remove the body as well, and change the link label text. Okay, now I'll proceed to select a video from my Shopify database. This one is the video that I need. And I'm going to upload it to the block. And my image with text block is ready. Now let's head over to the testimonial block. Here I'm going to enter my testimonial text and the author name here at the bottom. And the testimonial block is also ready. Now I will proceed to pick the products that I'm going to show in each product card. So here is the first product card. I'm now going to select the product from my Shopify database and then click select. And I'll do the same for all the other product cards. And here I have all my products in place. Now I'll proceed to center the content in each one of the product cards. So I'm going to content alignment and then I'll select center. And I'll repeat this operation for each of the product cards. Lastly, I'm going to reduce this space here, the space between the blocks in my collage section, so that there is more room for the product cards and the text can fit on one line in each product card. So I'm gonna go to the collage section settings And here I'm going to tweak the setting desktop space between cards to 12 pixels. And that's it. That was the last setting I wanted to adjust. My collage is now complete. Now go ahead and create your own collage for your Shopify store with the Aurora theme.